Hello everyone. Today I'll be walking through how to use our online catalog. To access our online catalog, you can use the Login button at the top, or click on the Books, DVDs, and More button. This will bring you to the online catalog homepage. In the center, you'll see our new release books displayed for you. The first thing you'll want to do is log in using your library card. First, click the Login button at the top. Then enter your library card number. This is the number on the back that is underneath the barcode. Then enter your 4-digit PIN to complete your login. Once you're logged in, you can now access your account using the My Account button. Here you can see all the books you have checked out displayed, and it'll show you the date that they're due back at your local library. You can also see any books you may have placed on hold. Right now, we have none. Click the house icon to return to the home page of the catalog. Let's say we're scrolling through the new releases and we decided on a book that we want to take out. Click the Find My Library button to bring you to that book's page. If we scroll down, we can see that the book is currently checked out. Using the Place Hold button will put you on a waitlist for this book. Select the library you wish to be put on hold for, and click Place Hold. Now, if we return to your account using the My Account button, you'll see that the book is on your hold list. This page can be used to manage any holds you've placed. For example, if you think you're too busy to read this book, you can suspend your hold for weeks at a time. Or, if you've changed your mind, you can cancel the hold entirely.